Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to unclog a sink. Unclogging a sink is one of the easiest things you can do. To prove to you just how easy it is, I'm going to deliberately block this sink, then unblock it so you can see how easy it really is. As you can see, the sink is currently draining perfectly. Let's change that. Great! Now that the sink is completely blocked, I'm going to show you how to unblock it. Under no circumstances use drain cleaner or a plunger. Drain cleaner will cause thousands of dollars worth of damage. All a plunger does is cause unnecessary mess and has a high chance of damaging your pipes. There is a reason plumbers refuse to use them. See, this sink is still completely blocked, and now there is a huge mess. Don't use drain cleaner or a plunger. Use eggs instead. Okay, that didn't work. Usually it does. It's still blocked. Just use a plunger. Perfect! The sink is now freely flowing. You are welcome.